The Adobe Youth Voices Story in Uganda informs you about a story of the landslide in eastern Uganda. These landslides occurred on 2nd March 2010.
On the 2nd of March 2010, a catastrophe occurred in eastern Uganda. The landslides occurred and covered 3 villages.
Heavy rains led into a landslide on Mountain Elgon, which buried hundreds of homes and people under the mud below the mountain.
This is Bududa village in the eastern Uganda Valley district, near the border of Kenya and Uganda. People lost property which they owned through the destruction by the landslides in Bududa village.
People lost their lives through the landslides, and the list of the names of the deceased were produced by the survivors that night on 2nd March.
And the list had over 81 people. Children became orphans because they lost their parents through the landslides which occurred that day. 81 people lost their lives, 300 were not seen that day, 10,000 became homeless and were displaced, and only 40 were seen as survivors. The injured people who did not need special attention were taken to the nearby clinics for treatment in order to improve quickly. And those who needed special attention were taken to big hospitals in order to be attended to by special doctors.
Animals like cattle and others were covered in the mud from the slides, and even crops in people's gardens were swept away by the slides in Bududa village. The Red Cross assisted the people with necessities to use like soap, jerrycans, plates, cups, and other necessities a person can use. Why do such catastrophes happen to us? Poor methods of farming like overcultivation of land, which leads the land to be barren. Deforestation also leaves the soil bare, which is dangerous to the land. Mining creates space between two pieces of land, which leads to the upper part to slide off, leading to a slide. Planting trees reduces the speed of running water, which makes the soil bare. Use terrace farming methods in order to reduce the speed of water on the slope. Soil conservation methods avoids polluting the land and making the process loose. The youth should encourage their parents to take them to school in order for them to learn the causes of the slide. The youths who know the causes should inform and teach those ones who do not.